By the end of this video, you will learn exactly if you change the industry, how powerful it is and how effective it can be. So stick to the video. Let me give you example. If you are getting trainer with UFC fighters or you want to be a champion, but you are not the champion, and now you have knowledge how to train, how to do boxing or how to do fighting. Now you cannot teach to the champions, you cannot give training to the champions because they are the champions and you are working with them, or you are lag behind, or you don't you are not a medalist, so you cannot sell your services to the champions. But if you change the industry, if you slightly change the industry and you start helping people who want to lose their weight or who want to get a good body, you have changed the industry completely. In the UFC fighting, you are not like, you have no value because there are champions and you are not the champions. But in that field, you are guru, or you are the champions for the people who want to weight loss, because in that industry you can say that I have worked with UFC fighters, or I have trained or get training with the UFC fighter, so I know exactly how to shape the body or how to lose the weight. I know all the exercises because I have worked in that industry. So this is how effective it is. For example, we are selling digital marketing courses, or we are doing digital marketing services. We cannot give our services to Gary Vee. We cannot give our services to WebFX because we are not that at that level, because we are not that much, or we are not that much skilled. But if we want to give services, we talk to doctors. Like, doctors don't know how to use AI or how to use social media or how to make SaaS products, but we know exactly how to do that. Because by so this is how the changing industry can impact your business. So I have one of my student, he was selling cakes. We built her business of selling cake and she earned 5K, I think, in the first 2 months or 3 months. Then she shifted, she know how to make cakes and also she know exactly how to do sketching. As he moved towards sketching, he get 3 clients and he make 20K. So this is changing the industry is effective. So now work on yourself, take your time, analyze your whole work you have done, and change your industry if you need that. Follow for more. If you have any question, just comment below. I will make a complete video for you guys or try to help you as much as I can.